Hey Bookies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making my crispy fried chicken, so let's get into it. I'm starting off by taking some party wings and adding them to a bowl, and then I'm gonna wash my chicken. Listen, if you don't wash your chicken, that's fine. Keep it to yourself, but I wash my chicken around here, so that's just what I do. After I rinse it until the water ran clear, I season my chicken with some garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, a little black pepper, and some Sazon. I added in 1 egg and some hot sauce and mixed everything until it was nice and coated. You can double the egg if you're making more chicken. To a Ziploc bag, I'm adding in some all-purpose flour and cornstarch, and then I'm gonna season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, Tony's no salt Creole seasoning. I like to use this so that I can control the salt levels. Plus, I'm also using other seasonings that have salt in it, so it can get real salty real quick. So I like using Tony's no salt seasoning. I added in some sea salt, a little bit of Goya adobo seasoning, and then I shook everything until it's nice and combined. You want to be able to see the seasonings in your flour. If you don't see your seasonings in your flour, you might need a little bit more. And then I'm gonna add my wings to the bag. This just makes life 10 times easier. I can get it nice and coated without getting my fingers all dirty, so I love doing this. And then I like to let my chicken rest for about 10 minutes before frying. I heat up my oil, pop them bad boys in for about 7 to 8 minutes till it's nice and golden and crispy. Now, if you're doing drums and wings, make sure you do wings all together and drums all together, because drums are typically bigger, which means they take a little bit extra time to cook. And I served this with some black eyed peas and white rice, and y'all, it was too good. I hope you guys try this. I hope you guys love this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.